Welcome to Fun Python Projects. In this video, we're talking about a word guessing game. Previously, I think we had done like a hangman game where we're guessing words actually, and for every failure, the hanging pole gets better and better until not getting the word right can lead to ultimate hanging, so to speak. Okay. So here we're doing a word guessing game that is a bit different from the hangman game. So here, the word guessing game in Python is a fun and interactive terminal project that challenges players to guess a secret word one letter at a time or by attempting the full word. All right. So it is designed with multiple difficulty levels, hints, and a scoring system. It helps players sharpen their logical thinking and pattern recognition while learning how to use Python's control structures, loops, and input handling. Right. So the game features a clean interface, emoji-based progress feedback, and replay options, making it an engaging and educational project for both beginners and intermediate Python learners. How does it work? So the first thing is you choose the level of difficulty you want. Do you want easy, medium, or hard? A word is picked from a curated list. So you can make your own list. I'm going to show you my own list here, but you can make your own list, anytime. So depending on your context. So you can guess letters or the whole word. Then you can type question mark for a hint. So which reveals the first and last letters, and the cost is one try. So when you ask for a hint, you lose one try, but it's okay. I mean, it's gonna be a good trade-off because it helps you to figure out the first and last word, and then you can think of the words, the letters in between. Then you can type exclamation mark to end the round. So it doesn't end the whole game, but it just ends that round. So if you're playing with someone, so when you end your round, it means you missed that turn and the other person continues. So you have point skill with remaining tries with bonuses of full word or no hint solves. So once you use your hint once, you cannot use that again. So you have to go on. All right. So what we need here, we need to import random because we need some element of randomness because a random word can be up and then import OS that works with the operating system. So the word guessing game CLI. So features difficulty levels, easy, medium, and hard. Guess letters of the whole word. So you can guess letter by letter or you can get the whole word at once. Then hints, first or last letters, which cost you an attempt. So at least it also helps you to move you forward. Then clean UI with status panel and emoji feedback, input validation plus replay loop, simple crossing scoring per session, and so on. So Python word, so that's how to run that if you're using the terminal. So look at the things we have. We have easy words like, I mean, this is just for the sake of the game. So if you're going to use this game if you are the game master here, you can know these words, but the other people that are playing may not know. But here it's okay. I mean, because you are the ones developing, so you want to see these things. You want to change the words. If you're working with maybe doctors, you may want to use medical words. If you're working with engineers, you may want to use engineering terms. If you're working with mathematicians, you want to use mathematical words. It all depends on your context. But here I have easy words like apple, train, chair, grape, plant, smile, tiger, river, and so on. I have medium words like castle, rocket, forest, bridge, camera, silver, hunter. I have hard words like Pythonista, labyrinth, timestamp, quicksand, pneumatic, and so on and so forth. Then we have ASCII stages. This shows you the stages, how far you're going. So you see it moves from very friendly stages to very deadly stages. All right. Then we have function. You define clear. So you clear so after each round, you have to clear the game, right? So you have OS system CLS. If OS name is empty, else you clear. So define, you have another function, right? So you choose word. So you're choosing word. So difficulty of string. So if difficulty is E, so pull, you have easy words. If difficulty L if difficulty is M, so you have medium words and else pull hard words, pull equals hard words. So return random choice, pull dot lower. All right. So you choose your level of difficulty, whether it's easy, medium, or hard. Then you also define attempts. If you define a function for attempts, so attempts for the word, there are strings. Difficulty is also string like that. So the base, you have maximum 6, length of word plus 2. Then if difficulty is 0, return base plus 2. Else if difficulty is medium, return base. Else return maximum 6, base minus 1. So, that's working out some stuff there. So you have then you define another function. You have the status panel. So of course, secret revealed, wrong at times left. So it tells you things like that. So it tells you a secret about the word if you want. Then it tells you the wrong attempts. It tells you the number of attempts you have left. It tells you that. Then the letters you have used, it tells you. It also tells you the stage index. Then of course this one is just you drawing lines. You draw 50 of this equality sign as a kind of design. Then you can print word guess the center 50 of this also. Then print this by 50. Then the word now. So you join revealed. It tells you about the secret letters. If it is wrong, it tells you. If it is used, it tells you. Then the number of tries is also it also tells you the number of tries there and tells you the attempts left. So and gives you those ASCII stages, those emojis, right? And you can also print this. That's part of the design. Then print. You can type a letter or guess the whole word. So that'll be outputted to you so it's to tell you what to do in that instance, whether you want to type the whole word or just a letter in the word. And if there's the letter you type is in the word, it tells you the letter is there. Then you can also try question mark or a hint, which costs you one try in the future. And you can type exclamation mark to quit this round, like we said before. Then you can print this dash 50 times. That's part of the design that you're going to see very soon. Then you can also define a function called reveal. So talks about the secret and whether it is revealed as CH. So if it's changed now, that's false. For I and C in enumerate of the secret. So if C is equal to CH and revealed I is equal to this underscore, then revealed I is CH. So change is true, then return changed. So you can define play underscore round score. So clear print, choose difficulty, whether you want easy, medium, or hard. I mean, it's case insensitive, so you can use capital or small letter because you have in line 94, make sure that whatever you type in, it is going to strip it of any empty spaces, and it is also going to put it in lowercase. So whether you put it in lowercase or not, it's okay. All right. So if DIFF is EM or H, so you can break, then it will now print type EM or H like that. So the secret, so you can choose word from based on the easy, medium, or hard. Then attempts left, it tells you attempts for, so you use that function. Then you have the reveal. So the number of, so this dash is this on maybe they are more like underscores. They tell you the letters in the word, right? For all the letters in the secret. Then you can talk about the used letter, the wrong letters. The stage index is all this one is set at 0. The hinted is false, except you ask for a hint, then it will be true in that instance. Then you now have while at underscore attempts greater than 0, they can clear status panel, secret revealed, wrong letters, attempts left, used letters, stage underscore index. Then if this dot join is revealed, you have the secret. You have bonus equals to if not intel else 0. Then again, you have maximum 1, attempts left plus bonus. Then print, this rejoicing emoji, right? You got it. So when you get it, you get this, this outburst of joy like that. You got it. The word was whatever the secret word was. So all the secret you've been saying is the secret word that the computer would have chosen, the program would have chosen, plus gain point. It tells you all that. Then you now have score plus equals gained, and then you break. Then for the guess now, you now say impute your own guess now. So it is case insensitive because everything is going to be stripped and made into lowercase. And then if not guess, now continue. If guess is exclamation, then exclamation means the round is ended, so no points gained, and then you break. If guess is question mark, if hinted, then print, you already used your hints this round. So impute, press enter to continue. So continue, review first and last letters. So if you ask for hints using question mark, so hint underscore letters, it tells the secret, the first word. Secret 0 means the first letter. Secret -1 means the last letter. That's the first from the back. That's what that means, and that's how Python goes. And then we now have for CH in hint letters, we have reveal secret, revealed CH, used letters dot add. You have CH attempts underscore left. So you subtract, you keep subtracting, minus equals 1. So you keep updating that as you use your attempt. So hinted is now true in this case because you're using question mark. So print hint. The word starts with the first word from the secret word part the game the program has chosen and ends with the secret minus one. That's the word from the end. So the cost is one try because we've got the hint. Input, press enter to continue, and then you can continue. So here, whole word guess now. So if the length of your guess is greater than one, so if guess is equal to secret, you have bonus to be three. If length of wrong letters is equal to zero, so else one. So gained, you have maximum two attempts left plus bonus. Then print. This is perfect. Whole word guess correct. Plus, also tells you the game point. So that's if your word is correct. Then score plus equals gained. You now break else. Print. So this cross sign, not quite. That means the word you've guessed or the letter you've guessed is not correct. So attempts left now to decrease the number of attempts. Stage index to add the stage by one. So input now, press enter to continue, and then you continue. Then you can have single letter guess validation. So if you guess a single letter, so if not, if you're not guessing the whole word, you can get the single letter. So if not, guess dot is alpha or length guess is not equal to one. So print, please enter a single alphabetic character, and if it's press enter to continue, and then you continue. So if the word, the letter you guess is in the used letters, so print, you already tried that letter. So if you had guessed the word before, to tell you have used it before, so that helps you to make sure you don't repeat the same letter, so that you just waste your turn. That's on. So input, press enter to continue, and then it continues. So you have use letters dot add dot guess. So if reveal secret revealed guess, so if the letter you type, right, is in the word, the secret word, it will say nice, that letter is in the word. So else you say wrong letters dot add guess, and then the number of attempts will be reduced, the stage index will be incremented, and then it can print nope, like that letter is not there. Then you can input it will now tell you to press enter to continue. Else you can, if you run out of all the number of attempts now and everything is done, so that will be clear, and then you can print this the fact that you're out of tries using this scary emoji, right? Then you can print the word was, whatever the secret word was, will be printed. And you can print the current score. Now it tells you the current score to return the score. And then you need this main now to run the code. So you have random seed, score is zero, while true score is equal to play underscore round score. Then print play again. If you want to play again, you say yes. You can type Y. If you don't want to play again, you just say no. You know, that's N, small n or capital N, anyhow you want it. So then you have choice. Input this the strip dot lower. If choice is not in Y, if it is not yes, like so if you say no, for instance, then it's to print thanks for playing. Final score is that whatever score you get, and it will break. So then you can now run it with if double underscore name is equal to. So this is usual for running, right? If double underscore name double underscore is the same as double underscore main double underscore in quotes, try main except keyboard interrupt. So if you interrupt using keyboard, then it will print goodbye. So that's the whole thing about the code. So I run it now and we try one word. Okay. I mean, despite the fact that you already saw some of the words, it doesn't still make the game easy. So let me start with an easy one. So I just type E. Okay, now it says so it says the word has 5 letters. I've not guessed wrongly. I've not used another wrong word. So I have 9 tries. So it says type a letter or guess the whole word. So type exclamation question mark for a hint, which costs 1 try, and type exclamation to quit this round. So your guess, a 5-letter word. Interestingly, it's hard. I don't think I remember any of the words I saw up there. So 5-letter word. Can I just type empty? Empty is a 5-letter word. I guess it's wrong. Yeah, not quite. That's not correct. Okay, maybe I can start with the letter thing. So it's rare for you to not find letter A in most English words. Okay, so it says, oh, your guess empty, not quite. Press, please. Oh, please enter to continue. Oh, I should have pressed enter, not A now. So now I can just do my A. So I do A. So A is not in the word. Okay, how about E? Okay, it says press enter to continue. I press enter. What about E? Oh, nice. E is in the word. So it means one of the word is E, right? What else can I do? Uh, uh, what if I do B? Is okay, it says I should press enter. Then so E is somewhere here. Okay. So now that gives me a hint. E is the second to the last word in the 5-letter word. What else could this be? Could this be stale? No, that can't be. Could it be steel? Stea. No, that can be still. What can it be? What can it be? Mm, okay, I don't know. What if is S there? S is not there. Okay. Um, what about B? Okay, press enter to continue. Then B. B is not there. Okay. What about, so you can see the wrong words I've tried, A and S. So I don't need to try them again. Okay. So what can I do now? Should I go for L? Press enter to continue first of all, and then I do L. L is not in the word. I have 5 tries to go. Wow, this is serious. Um, press enter to continue. Um, so what about M? Wow, M is not there. The number of tries almost gone. That's okay. I mean, we're just having a nice time. So LM. What about N then? N is not there. Oops. Okay. Mm, which word can be there again? Can I try P now? I have 2 tries to go and it will be over. P is gone. Enter. I try O based on popular demand, and that's no, the O is not there. All right. So I have just one try. I have just one try. One try, one try, one try. Should I go for LMNOPQRST? What about R? Yes, the word was river. That was my last turn. So the word was actually river. So I didn't get that. Okay, let me go again. To play again, I say yes. Let me go for medium now. Medium, I type N if I want medium. So now this is a 6 letter word. I have 8 tries. So it's always safe to try with it. Start with the vowels. I do A. A is not there, interestingly. Press enter to continue. I do E now. E is there. Good. What about AE? Let me do press enter to continue. I do I. I is not there. Okay. Press to continue. AEI. O is O there? No, O is not there. This is serious. Then press enter. U. Okay, U is there. Okay. There's U, there is this. So which word contains E is the second letter of a 6 letter word. Um, okay, maybe I should keep trying. Let me try. Press enter to continue. Okay, yeah, press enter to continue. So I have U, second letter, and E second to the last. What can this be? Pulley. It can be pulley, right? Let me see if pulley works. Pulley. Okay, not quite. Okay, but that would have been it though. Pulley doesn't work. What else works now? Mm. Pulley doesn't work. Pulley. Okay, maybe I should try another letter. Okay, L is not there. Enter. M is not. Is M there? M is not there. Oh, what else? Enter. What about N? Is N there? N. Okay, N is there. Okay, press enter to continue. Okay, so now I should be able to get this. Something UN, something EY. Mm, Bunny. GUNNEY. Doesn't work. Okay, 2 letter. I have 2 tries to go. But by now I should know what this is. E M we have first letter NT, UN, then all that. And I don't want to check the words. Okay, let me check this one. It's medium, right? Let me check the word here. This, of course, if you are doing playing this with someone, they won't get to see the word. Oh, can you imagine? The word is hunter. The word is hunter. That was me peeping there. So, oh, it's still saying not quite. Can you imagine? Okay, my guess finally, hunter, right? Yeah, hunter works, sure. So, but I mean, that was. Let me go for the hard one. Though I didn't get the other ones quite well. So I want to play again. I say why, and I go for hard. Okay. So for this hard one now, I have a 9 letter word. I have 10 tries. Okay, I've not been using my hints let me use my hint this time around. Question mark. So it tells me the first letter is H and the last letter is E. So what can that be? Can it be hardware? Hardware, no, hardware doesn't work here. What else could it be? Let's say is A there? Yeah, A is there. Good. Enter. Okay. HA. Can it be hallway? I don't know. Let me try L. L is not there. Okay. Um, L, M. M is there. Interesting. Okay. Now I have HA dash M dash. What can this be? Harmony? No, it can't be harmony because E is the last word. Mm, is R there? Let me see. R. R is there. Lovely. Okay. So with this, okay, this is ham. Now I should be able to get this word. HARM, blah, blah, blah. Hamster? No, can't be hamster because E is the last word. Ham, oh, what can it be again? Ham. Harmonics? Harmony? No, not it can't be all this because E is the last word. Ham, ham what? Mm, okay, let's see. Is O there? O is there. Interesting. Hamo, this is serious. Harmony. No, it can't be harmony because E is the last word. Harmonize. Harmonize. I guess it's harmonize. Harmonize. Why? Or is it American harmonize? Harmonize. Seriously. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't do that already. Har harmonize. Yes, perfect. Whole word gets correct plus 8 points. Total score 11 because I got three words right. Yeah. Okay, so with this, I come to the end of this video talking about what a word guessing game. So you can choose your own words. You can replace what the words there with your words. So I end it with I type N and it brings the whole thing to an end. So playing this, I got 11 points. Okay, so because I got 8 points for spelling the word fully. So you can see if I'd used SE, that's American harmonized, that wouldn't have been correct, probably. So yeah, with this, I come to the end of this interesting video about how to make a word guessing game in Python, talking about fun Python projects. Let me know how helpful this is for you. And if there's something else you'd like me to try out, feel very free to let me know. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. If you have not, of course, you want to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. Okay. Beyond that, you can actually become a member of the channel by clicking on join, and it takes you to different levels of membership. And part of it can make you have a hangout with me to discuss any of the things I talk about on this channel, right? Ultimately, don't forget to comment, like, and share so that more people can have access to the great content I have going on here. Till I come your way again, keep doing Python right. Bye.